Let's move on to health now. And the typhoid vaccine trial has commenced at Agogo in the Asante-Akim North District following the approval by the Food and Drugs Authority. Now, this trial is targeting at least 26,000 children in the Asante-Akim North and Central districts. The research is expected to generate data to consolidate safety of the product for the management of typhoid fever in Africa.
The project, funded by the European Developing Countries Clinical Trials Partnership and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, seeks to assess the effectiveness of a typhoid conjugate vaccine, TCV, through 2 clinical studies in Ghana. It is meant to support the introduction of TCV into routine immunization programs in typhoid endemic countries in Africa. Principal investigator on the project, Professor Yao Edusa-Akodie, said the area was chosen for the study due to the level of disease burden.
We've worked in this Agogo Asante-Akim community for a long time. The vaccine trial is being held in the Asante-Akim North and Central communities. We've worked there for a long time, over 10 years, looking at the burden of typhoid fever, looking at the microorganism that causes typhoid fever, looking at its antimicrobial character, looking at its genome. There's a lot we've done over the past years. So today we are continuing with the whole typhoid study with this vaccine trial. We are enrolling 23,000 participants between 9 months and 15 years. Okay, because when we worked here in this community with the part, we realized that it was within this particular group that the burden of typhoid fever was high. So we are recruiting that many children, 23,000 of them. Okay, and we're going to follow them for 3 years.
A clinical pharmacologist in charge of pharmacovigilance, Professor Kwame Oheneboaben, dispelled the notion the vaccine poses risk to participants.
So the purpose of this phase 4, here is to gather data, to consolidate the safety of the product. And then after that, when we are very much assured, of that, then just like my senior said, it can be rolled on the EPI. We have adequate, data, to suggest that this product can be used. But it's not the first, it's not the first time that this is actually being used. It's actually being done elsewhere. But on Africa, we don't have, that much information. So I think this is really wonderful opportunity, for us to be involved in this trial. So basically, that's about it. The safety is assured.
Reporting for JoyNews, Kwesi Deborah.